What do you need to know about your finances when buying a home or a property? Whether you're a first-time home buyer or you're looking to expand your investment portfolio, understanding the financial side of real estate is key. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have more knowledge to make smarter financial decisions in real estate. Alright, let's start with the basics. The first thing you need to know is understanding your budget.
Before you even start looking at properties, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This will give you a clear picture of how much you can afford. Remember, it's not just about the purchase price, but also about the ongoing costs like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance.
Next up, let's talk about mortgage rates and terms.
Mortgage rates can significantly impact your monthly payments. A lower rate means lower payments, but also consider the term of the loan. A 30-year mortgage will have lower monthly payments compared to a 15-year mortgage, but you'll end up paying more in interest over time. Do the math and see which option aligns best with your financial goals.
Now, let's discuss the down payment.
Typically, you'll need to put down at least 20% of the home's purchase price to avoid private mortgage insurance or PMI. However, there are options like FHA loans that require as little as 3.5% down. While a lower down payment might seem attractive, remember that it will increase your monthly payments and possibly your interest rate.
Another important aspect is closing cost.
These are fees associated with the transaction that go beyond the purchase price of the property. Home buyers typically pay between 3 to 6% of the purchase price in closing costs. These include things like loan origination fees, title insurance, and appraisal fees. Make sure to budget for these to avoid any last-minute surprises.
Don't forget about property taxes and homeowners insurance.
Property taxes are typically based on the assessed value of your home and can vary widely depending on the location. Homeowners insurance protects your investment from damage and loss, and it's often required by lenders. Be sure to get quotes and factor these into your overall budget.
For those looking to invest in real estate, you need to know about cash flow and ROI, or return on investment.
Calculate your expected rental income and subtract all expenses, including mortgage payments, maintenance, and property management fees. Positive cash flow is a good indicator that your investment is sound.
Lastly, always have an emergency fund.
Unexpected repairs and vacancies can eat into your budget. Having a cushion of 3 to 6 months worth of expenses can save you from financial stress down the road.
And there you have it. Understanding these fundamentals will set you on the right path to making smart and confident decisions in your real estate finances. If you have any questions or need personalized assistance with buying or selling a home, don't hesitate to reach out to us. All our information is in the description below. My name is Guillermo. I'm a licensed real estate agent in Texas, and with my dedicated team, we help people like you with their real estate journey. So whether you're buying your first home or looking for an investment property, we're here to help you out every step of the way. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and click on the bell for notifications on future videos. Until next time, happy house hunting and smart investing. See you in the next video.